Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I am going to show you how to download and install Netbeans 23 and Java JDK 23 on Windows 10. So make sure to like and subscribe. So before downloading Netbeans, you need to download and install Java JDK. So first just type download Java JDK and in any browser, and then go to the Java Downloads Oracle. So as you can see, Java 23, Java 21 available now. So I am going to download and install the latest. So just click on JDK 23 and then now you can see Windows. Click on Windows and select the link for x64 installer. So it is going to start the download. You just have to wait. Now just click on next, then click on next. And then click on close. Now if you open the command prompt and type java space - version, you are going to see the Java JDK version. So you can see the Java version 23.0.1. So now you need to download and install Netbeans. Just type download Netbeans in any browser and then click on Apache Netbeans releases. Now you can see the Apache Netbeans 23. Just click on download. Now in installers and packages, just select the Apache Netbeans 23 Windows x64. Then click on this link and it is going to start the download. Okay, now click on next. Then click on next. Then click on next. Then install. Now click on finish. Now open Netbeans. Create a new project. Give a project name. I'll give Java project and click on finish. Save all. Run Java project. And you can see it says hello world. So thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.